Dealers, GMs, managers, tell you right now, the Expert Roundtable Rotation is one of the hottest aspects of the Internet Sales 20 group. Man, I'm telling you right now, when we do our surveys, we get huge reviews. They want more Expert Roundtables. What happens is on day one in your workbooks, you get to choose 4 different 20-minute sessions. What happens is everybody, when they hear the bell, ding, right? You're gonna go to your first table. It's gonna be the subject matter expert and just a small group. And no matter what happens, as soon as that bell rings again, bing, right? Then you gotta get up like speed dating and go to your next table. So you get to experience on a more intimate level 4 back-to-back 20-minute roundtable discussions. It's really freaking awesome. So I'm telling you right now, you definitely want to register as quickly as possible because you don't want to be the one like Duck Duck Goose without a chair.